Let's see. And then kind of move it this way. Kind of move it in. Right there. Yeah. All right. So look, we're making this blue Hawaiian tropical fish bowl. Okay, we're gonna got a couple little things. I'm gonna get my assistant, Mrs. AlAiNNA'S life. She's gonna do the sand or the pebbles that's gonna be at the bottom. That's gonna be the ice that she's about to crush up. Ms. AlAiNNA, could you crush that up, please?
What So what I go to? I know I can use all of them, but
let me see.
Ice crush, and they got green.
Yeah, the ice crush. Yeah,
it's gonna be low.
You're gonna louden it up now.
No, because it's just ice, so I think it's gonna take a while to blend or it won't.
You know. Yeah. Let me see. Do the smoothie knock it down a little bit more?
No, because once it's already chopped up, it's like that got to move out the way for the rest of the stuff to. Yeah. I don't think it's gonna chop. It's chopped when it's mixed with liquids, so that's why I was like.
Oh, it's chopped when it's mixed with. I'm about to say, should we mix a little liquid in it?
Because ain't we using that whole thing?
Yeah. Okay, so since it's not gonna chop up unless you got a liquid in it, we're gonna take this blue Hawaiian cocktail mixer right here. We'll open that up like such. Okay, take that off. Get it working like that.
Your head cut off. I don't like it.
Come down with it, yes. All right, blue Hawaiian, I'm gonna open that up. And I guess we're gonna pull that up in here with this because we're gonna try to do the do with it. Put it all up there like yonder. All right.
What does it smell like?
What does it smell like?
Coconutty. Smell it.
Coconutty? Wow, that's it. Oh yeah, it do smell like coconut. So we also have real coconut infused exotic cream of coconut. Shake that well, they say. Let's open it up and put some more coconut stuff up in there just to mix the coconut up. And this is the real coconut infused. Yes, it is. Yes, yes. I'm put. I just want to rock. All right, that's enough of that, I guess. Got that in there.
That should be it though, because it's not getting no more. See, that's like it's the best it's gonna get.
Zoop zoop it, yeah. And then we could drop it in the bowl. Okay, so this is the fish bowl.
It's not gonna be too much.
I don't know. Let's see.
You could hold it up. Oh, you gonna drop it down?
Okay, you know right there. Just drop it in, put it in there. Okay, we get it. Oh,
you think all of it or?
Yeah, all of it. Okay, we got all of that right there. I don't know how we gonna see them things, but let me see. We have one Blue Choir Bay Premium Blend Banana Rum Cream. All right.
So that's going in there?
Yeah, I was gonna take the shot. Oh, it's only 15%. But look, what we're gonna do is, well, since she thought we was gonna take it just for a shot, let's get up there with it. Come sit on the human lap for a second. We're gonna take a little shot.
Oh, it's milky.
They got cream in it.
I'm gonna have gas.
Tastes good as hell though. Tastes
It
good.
got a little kick,
Yes,
but
indeed.
it's like
Little
way
bit.
more banana. Why you got to splash? All my life. And that and that. But how much? Not all of it. So you're gonna have to measure it out. Oh, and we still gotta put the pineapple.
Yeah, the pineapple juice.
Probably can put that last, so it'll be like.
So kind of mix it at the top with
Cause
that.
this already like juice, then put the hard stuff and then pineapple.
Okay. We have some Malibu rum. You know what I'm saying? We got this is a half a pint really. Notice that the numbers on the this is gone, so I don't know where it's at. But it's a little something. Looks like it's about half. It's about a half a cup, a little bit half a cup. Throw that Malibu rum up in there. See how that Malibu tastes.
Why look like you chewing
You want
shit?
to pour all the Malibu?
You know, man, it's like
Yeah,
juice. I used to
yeah.
drink that straight out the.
Look, we just gonna put all the whole half a pint up in there. Let's go. Cause yeah, that's juice.
It's like I already mixed like the banana. So it's nice. That's why I like Malibu. I used to buy that back in the day.
That's why all the old people
Now
getting
that,
drunk
I'm
off
scared of
that
that.
thing. What? And this gonna make it tropical. You feel me?
No, it's gonna
We
make it
got
hot,
that
hot, hot.
Jose Cuervo Tradicional Tequila Raspado. Nah, you know I ain't gonna pour all this in there because I like to take shots. Okay. So we gonna get a little bit of this up in there too. Just a little drink we messing with, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, you gotta let them know where you got it from. But we got the.
Oh, yeah, we had bought this from the store called Big Lots, and pretty much what the
It
thing
was
say.
cheap, huh?
Yeah, it was a little like they call it. Oh, shit, I'm dropping it, but it was called a mermaid cocktail kit set, whatever. Got some fishes to go up in that thing.
One fish, not fishes.
So look, this is what we gonna do with this.
Lord Jesus.
Go with the shot cup.
I'm scared.
Want a full shot cup?
I'm like a kid.
2 full shot cup. I'm gonna go 2.5 with that thing. This all you could, hopefully it'll be an all day. I could sip on this all day type drink, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put this to the side really because
We still gotta see if it's strong
gotta
enough.
take them shots. And if it's not
And then
strong enough,
we'll
if
put
it's not
it-
strong enough, I'm gonna pour some in more. I might just make that as a chaser for this.
We
But
gotta do the pineapple, then put the fish in.
yeah, we also need a little bit of lemon juice, lime juice. Now this is what I would put. Got some pineapple. I'm not gonna put a cup of nothing up in there. It's gonna be about 2/3 of a cup of pineapple.
You got pineapple juice.
There's enough pineapple.
Pineapple.
Up. Put the pineapple up, baby. Okay. Lemon juice. We're gonna get skeet out of that thing. Skeet. Now you can see the top of it is like foamy, like that fish spit or whatever they call it that be washing on the shore. And we don't even know where the fish at. Matter of fact, look, you can put the rum up in I say the rum. You put that in the box. Oh, matter of fact, we can move this into the
Kool-Aid pitcher.
Yep.
Just
That's
get
up
the
there. But yeah, for right now, we good. See, well, I'm gonna take these off.
I'm gonna probably
These
rinse
is
those.
the double straws. You can go ahead and rinse them, Miss Lady. My lovely assistant.
Hey, these mugs.
She like my
Hey, these
Vanna
some
White
good
to
ones.
my, what's his name that do the,
Feel it. That ain't no regular straws.
oh yeah. Gucci.
I wouldn't mind keeping them. But see, this thing stops it from going in your, like, falling all the way down in your drink when you have the cup holder.
Okay. Now, oh yeah, we sure do. I thought it was,
It just one?
no.
Oh.
This is the fishes. You going swimming with the fishes like the mafia people say. Okay, swimming with the fishes. We have 5 fish.
I'm on fire fish. No, we got the 5.
Can't you even see them? I don't see them. Can you see the other fish? I don't see them. Oh, you know what that smell like? That smell like your kids' fruit snacks.
Hey, I've been eating the kids' food snack.
Certified stepmom.
Talk about the kids is big. So which way?
You might want to, when you put them straws in there, you might want to give it a little.
Which
I
way?
think it
These?
might go in that way, and then that stop the side, huh?
So they stand out like this. These go up.
I think so. I don't know. I don't know. Look at the picture.
Oh, I feel it. Whatchamacallit? You got some in there already?
Oh, all 4 of them. There's
Yeah,
5 of them.
I feel it when I stir. I can see them. You see them?
Yeah. Y'all see the fish floating around? They look dead like the next day after you buy 1 goldfish. That's what they look like. I'm thinking that this is the end product of what we were making. I'm thinking that. I don't know.
Yeah, taste it.
Go ahead on and taste it. You wanna get right there and get your look, you take the blue one, I'll take the green one.
What a liquor. We need some more liquor.
Tastes like Malibu.
I know it's good. I can't taste the lemon. I can't. There wasn't a lot.
Tastes like a blue Hawaiian drink. Let me see.
Yeah, hold on. I know I said it wasn't enough, but no, we got to take shots, like you said.
I went down a little bit.
Okay.
Oh, let's see if this is how strong it is now. I taste tequila.
Not me, but that's how you know it's gonna get you messed up.
So, out of this drink, what you think? 1 to 10?
A
You
10?
do something together? 10.
Because it's real tropical. Like I like tropical.
Yeah, tastes like I could just drink this. If tomorrow the sun's shining, oh, I drink this all day. Yes, indeed. Yeah, it tastes good. Hopefully the fish didn't
Fish is
drown.
gonna be drunk.
Yeah, they down there. Well, that was the Blue Hawaiian Tropical Fish Bowl Punch that we made. AlAiNNA'S like we back.
And we out.
Hola, hola. I think hola is yellow. Holla.